Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can swap crypto in crypto.com. So let's get straight into it. Now the catch right here is that you can't do that on main crypto.com app. So you will need to have crypto.com on chain. So this is basically the wallet. So let me open up like so. Now if I select, now I'm here on my wallet one. So if I select here Bitcoin, for example, you will see down here at the bottom buy option and swap option. So if I click on swap, all right, now as you can see, I can choose here the token which I want. So let's say Ethereum. You will see here a bunch of coins under the Ethereum. And what I can do now is just set up how much Ethereum I want to swap with Bitcoin. When I'm done with that, I will see here some price impact and so on. And when I'm done with that, just click at the bottom the confirm button and you will successfully swap the crypto in crypto.com. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.